Holds shin guard in place without tape. Machine washable. Helps reduce cramping and fatigue. Sold as pair. Top reviews from the United States. They work great. No slipping. Purchased these to replace lost sleeves for my son's adult size Adidas guards. They work great. No slipping, comfortable, long enough for his very long shins. Has 59 with a 32 inseam. Made of a better quality fabric than the mesh sleeves that originally came with his guards. I would compare the feel of the fabric to a nicer and thicker woman's nylon trouser sock. Hand washed them and hung them up to dry, still look new. I just now ordered a spare pair, because they basically turn into a small ball when removed by a 13-year-old and can easily get swallowed up in a hamper or the laundry. I highly recommend these sleeves as a replacement for any brand guards.